David here, weekly. Today is Friday, 9th of February, 8:18 in the evening. So market's closed. We're looking at the old crop contract, the May contract on the wheat, UK. We've got the daily bar chart in front of us. We've identified this falling channel. The market's still in this falling channel below the 60 SMA, which is identified here as the red falling line. 138. We did see a little bit of a bounce after testing a low of 136. But as my view has been over the last few months, we are going down slowly. It's in a downwards trend. I think it will continue on this vein unless we see a consistent break above the 60 SMA up 142. So let's look at the new crop. We've got the yearly chart in front of us with the monthly candles. We can see that the market is still holding above the 60 SMA on this monthly chart. We can see we've got expanding green candle here as we're getting in through February. 143.30 was the close on tonight. Let's pop down into the monthly. We can identify this month here, green candle, looking positive. 2 preceding months green. We've got this red month here that we've got to get past from November. Let's pop down into the weekly. We can identify here the 60 SMA weekly, and we've come up and hit it right on the nose. 143.30. It comes in at 43.50. We failed to break through on Friday night's close, but as you can see, very positive week, a big green candle. Let's pop down to the daily, see what's happening. We can see here that we tested a low the end of January, 139. We can see we've had this positive week here. We've broken through the 60 SMA and closed above it, this green candle here. Bit of a red one here, but we closed positive again tonight. So that's 3 days over the 60 SMA. So we've got a time confirmation. We need the second confirmation is to break through this band that we can see coming at 143.50. If we see that early part of next week, we could then see a run up to look for the test of the next sort of resistance. If we cast your eye across here at the left, we're probably around about the 146, and obviously the top would be 150. Below this, we've got support coming in here, 141, where we tested and held and then bounced off it. We've got swing line support here, 142, which obviously was resistance in the beginning of January. We've now closed above that, so that should add support there. We can see, if you cast your eye on this, we've got sort of an inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on this base here. We've got a left shoulder here, we've got a head, and we've had a right form here. We've got a breakout in the look of it at the present moment. The stochastic is showing a little bit oversold, so we probably could come back and test sort of 142. But obviously, at the moment, we'd like to see this hold above the 141. If we broke that, then we would have to change our view of this sort of rise at the present moment. But I would go with that we've got more strength to come, and we should hold above the 60 SMA. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.